It's raining, I'm cleaning poles. That's just my luck, guys. Just wow. But hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, a lot of people, they have jobs, they work in the rain, so that doesn't mean we can't. This should be pretty interesting because I only go every Friday. You know, I've only been working with this job for about almost a year already, and I work every Friday. It's been pretty good so far. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on a time lapse because I don't really have time to really like film. So I'm just gonna sit you on a tripod and put a time lapse on it. Let's get to the video. Like we are done with this pool. Let's go ahead and move on to the next pool and get on with it. Okay, so one thing I really hate about this one specific pool is that the whole entire pool is like practically a darker color, and I don't really like the darker color pools only because, well, they're just harder to look for stuff with, and you think with the sun and all that you'd be able to see easier, but really you can't. So this is another pool. This is probably one of the messier pools that we usually have, but look at all the leaves at the bottom. It's freaking messy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on time lapse. So I got this pool clean, so we can go ahead and move on to the next pool. These guys. Okay guys, I'm sorry for the lack of poll content in today's video. I just cannot make much poll content in today's video, so I'm just gonna continue the rest of the video with just a normal vlog with what I do when I get home and whatever. Look at this, they're like carrying trees and stuff. That's cool, ain't it? But anyways, I hope y'all understand. Just enjoy the rest of the video. Also, I got me some Bucky nuggets because we got Bucky's in Texas. Ever heard of it? Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just gonna go ahead and get on with the vlog. Enjoy! Man, it was a hard day at work today. Had to work in the rain and everything. Thumbs up. It was pretty good. I got paid extra anyway, so. You know, they always complain about me messing up the garage, but look at what my family does. That's all them, not me. But anyways, I was wanting to show you guys something real quick. So this is my mountain bike right here. Well, I guess street cruiser, but I've been restoring it here and there. And what I'm gonna do now is get a wire brush, bring it all to a tire. The newest mods I've gotten on this bike is a C9 seat and some pedals. I'm not sure what the names are. This is already starting to fall off. I've only had it for a week, so that's how rough I. Quick look at these wheels. They're in very rough shape actually. You'd be surprised, but yeah. The front ones are in okay shape too. Yeah, this front room's looking a lot better. It's a lot shinier than it was. I think this should work. Now the back one, I was gonna try, but I don't know, I kind of gave up because it's too much work and yeah, I'm gonna wash it off first. But we'll do this in another video hopefully. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would let me know in the comments below. See y'all next video. I'm sorry this video's been everywhere. Like I said, it's been raining, so couldn't make much videos. Anyways, peace.